It's March 24th, 2024, and this is an update video on the cleanup and organization of the shed at Sutter's End. We've got a lot of the tools organized. The shelf underneath is excess building materials and brackets that are going to be sold off, auctioned off, or given away. So that's pretty cleaned up, and the shelves are beginning to get winnowed as things get thrown away, given away. And a nice set of stairs I found about 10 years ago that we repurposed as a way to get up into the attic. And up in the attic, we've stored the camping equipment to get it off the floor. We reorganized and reattached the shelving units. And the opposite workbench has now got a pegboard. Makes a lot more room, a lot more space. Fasteners and general purpose tools down below. A little bit more work to do on these shelves. The pine cones are going to go off to the thrift store for Christmas decorations next year. That's pretty popular. We built a rack up in the rafters for the canoe, and that keeps it out of the wet and out of the way. That turned out pretty nicely. We've got the rack staged here. The first two racks are books, papers, old photographs that Marianne has to go through. That'll happen over the next few months. And then we've got logging tools, general purpose tools, the BCS tractor and its implements is over here. There's the chipper in the background. Have a lot of nice leftover wood. Moved the table saw over here. And now, of course, there's room for the Polaris on this side of the shop. So the other side is left completely clear for project work. Got the dual deck mower here, a jointer, bandsaw that needs some work, and then a great deal of really nice milled cedar that we will find a project for. On the back wall is a solar controller that's going to get refurbed, and the extra panels are going to go up on top of this roof, making for a bigger array. So things are really coming along, and when you kind of zoom out, there's a lot of room here now. So whatever project Marianne or I wants to take on ought to be pretty easy. Anyway, that's it for today.